First of all, I want to thank Liakats who arranged a beautiful party for us, and we taste different type of winter cake, and those type of cake taste as mouth-watering food, and also I feel over the moon at a time. And through the party, we just talking each other throughout our English, and it's all kind of helpful for us to practice in English. So I think if those type of party or festival arrange a coaching centers, definitely it's very beneficial for us to learn something different skills. And also at a time I have no words to explain my feelings, but the entire program was amazing, and again thank Liakats.
What I want to tell about the Liakat Center, these centers help us so much that we can, now especially for me, I can speak English very well. But I know before English, things I know, but I cannot speak English fluently. But now, this for me is very comfortable. I'm feeling very comfortable. And also thanks to Mr. Liakat and our sir, Sabir sir. He helps me so much, and our entire personal and colleagues and students.
1st December, I attend this class. Junaid Hilali is my instructor. He is very nice person. I learned a lot from this class. Day by day, I improve myself. Thanks to Liakat for improving my English skill.
Before my exam, I was very weak in English, and after that, I take a proper course from there. And the instructor or the teachers, they helped me very much, and they learned me some tips and tricks which I deliver today very well. And I hope I will get my desired brand score also. And if once I get my desired brand score, I would to give the all credit, thanks to all credit Liakat sir and the Liakats family also.